Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to calculate interest using data table in Excel. Okay, so if you want to calculate interest using data table in Excel, this video will show you how to do it. Here you will see I have just created a table. Here you will see it is the principal amount. Okay, this is rate of interest, it is 11%, and this is duration in year. Okay, this is 5 years, 10 year, 15 year, and this is 20 year, 25 year, and 30 years. Okay, so I want to find out the interest. Okay, for if I have this principal amount, this is the rate of interest. So what is the interest amount in 5 years, what is the interest amount in 10 years and 15 years, 20 years, 25 years, and 30 years. So what you have to do, so to find the interest amount for this cell, what you have to do, equals to then principal amount into interest into year. Okay, so this is the interest amount for 5 years. If you have taken the loan or principal amount is 1 lakh. Okay, if I copy this formula, you will see, if I copy this formula to the neighboring cell, you will see this is not copying. So what you have to do, so if you want to find out the for this 10 years, 20, 15 years, 20 years, and 25, 30 years interest amount, so what you have to do, you have to use the data table. Okay, so how to use the data table, you have to just select all the interest, this duration of the year and interest amount cell, okay, or row. Then here you will see, go to data tab. Now in data tab, here you will see what if analysis. What if analysis, just click on it and click on data table. Now here it will ask for row input cell and column input cell. As we have this in the rows, you have to just select in row, click on the row and select first one. Okay, now click on OK. So when you click on OK, you will see that automatically this is the amount, interest amount for the following years. Okay, so like this you can find interest, you can calculate interest using data table. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.